Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel Freedom with Forex. Today I'm going to show you one of my account, which is a live account verified by myfxbook.com. As you can see, the track record is verified, the trading privilege is also verified, and this account is recently been updated about an hour ago, so everything you see here is live. Okay, so this account is I've been running this account last 3 years. So the first time I deposited money into this account was 2016 in November. So today is November 2019, so it's been 3 years this account up and running. Okay, so initially I deposited was $36,000 when I started this account, and total deposit amount till today is $81,949. Okay, that was the deposit money, and the profit amount at the moment is $92,192. So that's the profit amount from $81,000 deposit amount, and I have withdrawn $149,000. So basically I have withdrawn my initial deposit and some profit as well. The current balance is $24,000. Okay, the average gain in this account last 3 years has been 112%. So 112% profit gain so far in this account. As you can see, these are the profit graphs from beginning of this account. If you go down, it shows you the returns. So this year been made $14,221. The pips amount is 46,000. But this way it gets more interesting. Okay, the number of the trades I have opened is 2,135. That's a lot of trade, but mind you, this is a 3 years time frame. The probability of this account is 84%. So basically 84% of the chance of winning of a trades on this account. The total number of the pips I have generated is 140,092. Okay, oh, beg your pardon, 104,000. This is the profit factor is 1.86. Basically, if you invest $10, you would expect to return $18.60. If you invest $100, you would expect to gain $180, $86. If you invest 1,000, you would expect to return 1,800, something like that. Okay. These are the history at the bottom. So there's a lot of history. Okay, 2,300 plus trades history, which I think 118 pages. There's a lot of pages to go through, but I don't think anybody has time to go through individual pages. But if you want to go through individual pages, that's fine. I'll leave a link below. You can go and have a look. But the first page, okay, the biggest win in this page was, I think, this one, $215 from Euro Pound in 2019. I have withdrawn 1,000 here, 200 there. Second page, $248 from Pound CAD, $228 from Pound Yen. All right. Small trades here and there, a couple of hundreds here and there, nothing significant. But mind you, these are the lot size 0.05, not a big lot size, small lot size. $248 from gold. I sold gold in that case. Fourth page, $342 from USD franc. This was a rather bigger lot size, 0.10. Nice little good trade from that one. 331 from gold again, 0.05, and here and there, as you can see, a small amount. But again, this all little trades adding up. All right. Fifth page, as you can see, nothing really significant. I have withdrawn $1,500 in April 2019. Sixth page, $179 from gold again, $103 from franc yen. So basically, somewhere from $50 to $200 profit amount on the first couple of pages. I'll show you 2-3 more. I want to bore you on these statistics. $122 from Euro New Zealand. I sold back then. 179 from Euro Pound. Okay, maybe do one more page. $212 from USD CAD. $314, nice little trade from USD Yen. So this was a loss. Australian dollar versus New Zealand, $100. All right, that was a loss. One more page, maybe. $159 New Zealand USD. Okay. I deposited 3,000 there, 2,000 there. Page number 10. So there's a couple of losses here. Euro New Zealand, 1,700. That was a big loss. That was a big loss, and that was back in 2017 in October. And then another big loss was from Euro Aussie. Similar time, yeah, 17 October, $1,653. That was a massive loss. All right, but that happens. You know, we're talking about close to $100,000 account. You expected to have loss like that. And this wire that withdrawn, I have withdrawn this amount of money, $550. Page number 11. So from here you will see a lot of withdrawal. Okay, $900, $800. So these are a lot withdrawal. Okay, these are not the loss, rather withdrawal. I think you'll see more withdrawal. Yeah, more withdrawal here. $415 profit from Euro Yen, $276 from Pound Franc. Okay, $279 from Euro Aussie. More withdrawal here. All right. So these are the all withdrawal amount. All withdrawal amount. Page number 14. This is the last page. We'll go through. So $436 profit Euro USD, 0.07 lot size. $339 from Euro Yen, 0.10. This was a little bit bigger lot size. All withdrawal here and there. So basically, if you're interested, you can obviously have a look all the pages. I'll leave a link below in myfxbook.com. So I'm not intentionally escaping anything. It's just to make this video not too long. Let's have a look this page, the summary. This is the complete summary of all the trades I have opened so far in the last 3 years. So as you can see, there's a lot of pairs. This is like a 31 pairs, including gold and what's that? It's a Singapore dollar. What it is? Oh, that's the gas, I think. Yeah, that's the gas, natural gas. So 30 pairs, I think, here. So this is the total profit or loss figure here, right? These are the long figure, these are the short figure. So I bought in this figure, the sold figure over here, the 1% loss percentage. All right, so Australian dollar CAD, the total amount in dollar figure 130,200. All right, $3,600 one from Australian dollar or US dollar. All right, 3,400 was from franc yen, almost 4,000 from euro CAD, and then bang, euro franc, I lost 2,800 in overall. I lost from euro franc. $6,254 profit from euro pound. So this is, I think, the biggest loss from euro USD, 7,454. I have not recovered from the early losses that I made early 2017 and late 2016, because that time, because of the US election, I lost a lot of money in the during the US election. This is why it reflects. But as you can see, I have come back strongly after that. All right, I had to change my strategy and tweak a little things here and there. Since then, it's been all good and stable. And then 8,700 profit from pound Aussie dollar, $8,400 profit from pound yen. So there's a lot of good trades from pound pairs. $93 from USD CAD. Actually, that time of the US election, I was long on euro USD, and I think I was short. Excuse me, I was short on USD CAD, I believe. All right. So this is a small amount, even though the total figure is loss. $4,600 from USD yen. Okay. So these are the total figures from individual currency pairs. The last thing I will show you. So here you go. 2016 November, I started with a little, with a good luck, maybe 3% return. This was the best, 41% return. And it shows you all the currencies that I traded and what percentage was the win or loss. 2017, I started with the loss, 14% down, and then February 10%, and then March 5%. So it's gradually actually getting smaller, 40%, 10%, 5%, right? And then from April, things started to look better. I'm talking about 2017 now. So April 3%, May 13%, June 43%. So I gained whatever I lost initially in these 2 months. Yeah. And then modest growth, 20%, August 23%, September 20%, October 11%, and December was loss again, 5%. I don't remember what happened. I have to go back and have a look. But 2018, the January was 20% down. Big loss, right? Big loss. By overall account, I was still up, even though I had 20% loss. And then February 5% and small return. I lost again in July, in August, only a small percent. I didn't trade much, I think, in this period of time. November 19%, December 16%. So overall 2018, I'm positive. I haven't done the maths yet, but overall I have gained. All right, so 20%, and then what? Let's say 2%. That's 21% total loss, and I have gained 19. That's a 30, 37, 40, 46. Let's say 45%. Right. So overall, maybe I'm up by 20 something plus percent. Right. So 2019, we're almost end of the year. January 18%, really good. February 6%. So these 4 months were very modest, very kind of slow growth, but still 6-5%, not too bad. June 17%. All right, October 10%, pretty good. So yeah, you see all the all the individual trades. The pound franc, from pound, I saw a lot of bought pound back then. That's why it's a massive growth. Euro pound as well was pretty good. I shorted euro pound, 6.3%. So there you go. So that's the complete history of this account from 2016 November till 2019 November. So that's 3 years. So it shows you this account went through a lot, up and down, but mostly up. And it shows here the profit graph is keep going up. Okay. What else? That's it, I think. So anyway, if you got any questions, any comments, please leave it below or send me an email, freedomwithforex@outlook.com. You can Skype me, Elite Capital FX. I'll leave the link below. All my accounts are verified by myfxbook.com, and these are all the accounts. As you can see, my portfolio, these are 20 accounts. Okay, you can go and have a look if you want. I run a mentorship program on forex trading. I do one-on-one live coaching with my student once a week, and this is a lifetime mentorship. Okay, so you have no excuse not to be a profitable, consistent winner, because I will push you to the limit. Trust me, I will. All right. So yeah, so like this video and please subscribe. All right, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye bye for now.